Lee. I am the chairman of Hing Wa Lee Group, which is in the retail business, real estate business, investment business. I had a passion for cars since third grade. And at that time, you know, what I saw was like the Maseratis and Alfa Romeos and the Ferraris and stuff. And I remember I was really intrigued by it. Well, you know, because I was born in Hong Kong, I left at 9 years old to come to America with my family. So growing up, I really had an exposure from both cultures, which as an adult, it's created a really special type of, I guess, influence in my life, because I am truly, I guess, half influenced by American culture and being American half, and half being Chinese and with the Chinese culture, and really having a true 50-50 kind of mental, you know, type of perspective. Seeing that there's a car that is also similar in its strategy and its makeup and essence is pretty cool. And I'm very excited to be the first to drive it in America, because I believe, just like in business, if you don't change with the environment, change with the times, you're going to go backwards. It drove really nice, you know, nice delivery of power, really good response on the steering, good visibility, nice carbon fiber, you know, wheels, and the suspension and the handling was very good. The infotainment system was easy to navigate, even for my first time, because I'm the first to drive this car.